All right, let's start with speaking part one. We are going to ask you some questions. You got to reply. Yes.
How often do you use the internet?
Almost daily I use the internet, and not whenever I want to be do something, I have never to do.
Come on, relax, calm down. Easy.
Um,
How often do you use internet? I use internet every day. I've got a good smartphone, and on that smartphone I use internet. So whenever I want to watch any video or listen to any song, I use internet. So to answer your question, I use internet several times a day. Okay, just like this, confident answer. All right, let's go on.
Do you think internet is a good free time activity?
yes, I think it's a good activity to spend our spare time, and but when you have a free time, you visit.
You can surf the net. Use the word surf. You can surf the net
You can surf the net and
and have fun, enjoy yourself, get some entertainment. Just like that. Be quick. Okay? All right. Do you think children should use internet?
I don't think so. Children will use to
Children should use
should
internet.
use to internet, because parents are not be having keen observation on the children, and they use in a wrong way. I think so. So it's not good to use children.
Yeah, it's not good for the
Independently.
children to use internet. So grammar, connectivity of ideas, fluency, practice, familiarity with these topics, all these things you need to do. Okay? All right, thank you.